sensibility, and practicality define the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, and power front seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.